Hello class, hope you all are fit and fine, and I hope that you all are doing your work well. As I am getting the complaint from the parents that you are not watching videos. Please watch video. We are doing hard work for you people. Please see videos. And now we will start our new topic. We will move to chapter 2. The topic is noun and pronoun. Okay, I hope you know very well about nouns. Okay, nouns, from the earlier class you are getting what is noun. Noun, it's a naming word. I am explaining you all the things in audio, so you will listen these audios carefully and please do all the work on time. It will be good for us also, because if you are studying well, so we will think that our hard work is coming on a result. Okay, so please concentrate on your study and do all the things whatever teacher is telling you. So we will continue our study and we will move towards the topic nouns. Today I will tell you all the things about nouns. Okay, and in next video I will tell you about pronouns. Let's continue. So students, today we will start our second chapter. This chapter is nouns and pronouns. Okay, I hope you all will know what is noun. It's a very common topic which you have been studying for a long time. I think from class KG or 1. Is it so now? So I will tell you what is noun. So you all will be familiar with noun. That nouns are the naming words, names of things, people, places, animals, qualities, even feelings. Okay, so it can be said that all the names are nouns. Now I will tell you about the kinds of nouns. Okay, there are 5 types of nouns. The first one is proper noun. When we are talking about a particular person, we are telling the name of particular person. As my name is Priyanka, so Priyanka is a proper noun. If we are living in Plakhwa, then Plakhwa is a proper noun. In this way, when we are telling, we are saying about the particular name of anything, people, place, then it is proper noun. The second one is common noun. Common noun, which is common for all the categories. Okay, common, you can say that boy, it's a common noun. Every of the occupation, that is also a common noun. Profession, these are the common noun. If we are talking about girls, then it is common noun. If we are saying girls, yeah, girl, that is common. But if we are saying a name, we are telling the name of the girl, then it is proper noun. Okay. Afterwards, material noun. Material by which some new thing can be made, like gold, copper, silver, iron. These all are material noun. There are so many. Next is collective noun. Collective noun, when we speak about the people, those are collective at a place, then it is collective noun. As if many of the students are together and they are sitting at a proper place, then we will say it is the class of students. Okay, when there are so many cows, buffaloes in a group, then we will say that is a herd. These are called collective noun. There are so many. If we are talking about the grapes, when grapes are in a bunch, if all the grapes are together, then we will tell these it is the bunch of grapes. Okay, next one is abstract noun. Things which we cannot see or touch, but we can feel the presence of that thing, it is abstract noun. If we will say happiness, it's Abstract noun, we will say sadness, honesty, truth, these all are abstract noun. Okay. Afterwards, these all kinds of noun have been divided into two parts. One is countable and second one is uncountable. Countable, those things we can count, these are countable, and those we cannot count, these are uncountable, like water, salt, and oil. There are so many things. Abstract noun, it is always uncountable. Okay. Now there are noun cases also. There are four types of cases. First one is subjective, when noun is used as a subject in the sentence, that it is subjective case. Okay. Second one is objective case, when it is used as a direct object, then it is objective case. The third one is dative case. Dative case, when it is used as an indirect object, then it is called dative case. And the fourth one is possessive, when you will see that possessive means apostrophe is there when you are getting the thing, getting the answer whose the thing is related, then it is possessive case, and in this we use apostrophe. Okay, so these are noun cases. Today I will tell you only about the noun. With it I am sending you some exercises, and afterwards I will tell you what is pronouns and what are the kinds of pronouns. Okay. I hope you all are getting. Please watch video, because I am getting the complaint from parents that you are not watching videos and you are not listening all the things. Okay. Please watch video. You will get good things, and you should use your time for good things. You should study well. Okay, so I will come to know are you watching or not. Please watch. Goodbye.